Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Take out your English textbook. Today we are going to start unit number 2 and here is a poem. Title of the poem is Miss Polly. First mention the day Tuesday, 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 and the date is 14th of July 2020 and page is 18th. Here is some warm-up activity. Look at the pictures of toys. Do you know what is toy? A toy is an item that is used in play. So here we have different items and these all are called toys. Now what we have to do? We have to take our favorite one. Like for example, my favorite toy is doll. So that's why I am going to take this one, but you have to take your own favorite toy. So now let's start our poem. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. Okay, Miss Polly is a little girl, as you can see here. Dolly means a doll. As we can see in the picture, this is a doll and it is called dolly. Who was sick? Sick means unwell or ill. The dolly was not feeling well. Okay, Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly and who was sick. Sick means the dolly was not feeling well. So she called for the doctor to come quick. Now Miss Polly called the doctor to come quick. Quick means fast. The doctor came with his bag and his hat. So as you can see in the picture, the doctor is coming inside the house and he is having hat and a bag. He is having bag and wearing hat. And he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat. Knocked means tapped. When we knock the door, so it is called as tapped. Okay, a rat-tat-tat, it's a sound that made by knocking on the door. Okay, it's a sound that made by knocking on the door. It's a sound. So in this poem we have studied about Miss Polly's doll, that the dolly was sick and Miss Polly called the doctor to come quick, and the doctor came with his bag and with his hat and he knocked on the door with the rat-tat-tat. So let me read this poem again. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat and he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat. My dear students, let me play this poem for you.
Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. She phoned for a doctor to be quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-tat-tat.
I think it's clear to you. This is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.